Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how affiliate marketing drives traffic and converts leads into sales. Let's get started! Creating engaging affiliate marketing content is crucial for attracting and converting your audience. Here's a breakdown of different content types, along with tips and examples to help you maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. The content types of affiliate marketing. 1. Videos. Videos are a powerful tool in affiliate marketing. They help engage audiences, showcase products, and increase sales. This guide explains how to use videos effectively in affiliate marketing and shares best practices and strategies for success. Tips: create engaging video content that showcases products or provides tutorials. Use storytelling techniques to connect with viewers. Include affiliate links in the video description or as overlays. Example: a YouTube video titled Unboxing and Review of the Latest Smartphone that includes a call to action to purchase through your affiliate link. 2. Email. Newsletters. Email newsletters are a valuable tool in affiliate marketing, helping to build relationships, deliver valuable content, and promote affiliate products. Here's how to effectively leverage them, along with best practices and strategies for success. Tips: build an email list and send regular newsletters with valuable content. Include product recommendations and exclusive discounts. Personalize emails to increase engagement. Example monthly newsletter featuring top picks for the month, highlighting products with affiliate links and personal notes. 3. Social media posts. Social media posts are essential for affiliate marketing, allowing you to connect with your audience, promote products, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Here's a guide on leveraging social media effectively for affiliate marketing success. Tips: use engaging visuals and captions to attract attention. Share testimonials, reviews, and behind-the-scenes content. Utilize stories and reels for quick promotions. Example: an Instagram post showcasing a product in use, with a caption that includes a personal story and a swipe-up link to purchase. 4. Webinars and live streams. Webinars and live streams are effective tools in affiliate marketing, enabling engagement, content sharing, and product promotion, while fostering community and trust. Here's a guide on using them effectively. Tips. Example: host live sessions to discuss products, answer questions, and provide value. Promote affiliate products during the session. Offer exclusive deals or bonuses for attendees. A live webinar on how to boost your productivity, featuring tools and apps with links to purchase them through your affiliate program. 5. Podcasts. Podcasts build authority, engage audiences, and promote affiliate products through discussions, interviews, and reviews, fostering trust and community while driving traffic via targeted calls to action and cross-promotion strategies. Tips: discuss topics relevant to your niche and include product mentions. Share personal experiences or interviews with experts. Encourage listeners to check out affiliate links in the show notes. Example: a podcast episode on essential tools for freelancers, discussing various products with affiliate links mentioned throughout.